We are in Mashobra Horticulture Research Center. Here Advanced Technology supplied and installed an automatic weather station. This is our weather data logger. Here you can see in LCD, like some readings are there, like temperature 21 degrees Celsius, humidity, wind speed, wind direction, rainfall, dew point, solar radiation and evapotranspiration. This sensor we are using for measuring a temperature and humidity. This sensor is for wind speed. This is for wind direction. This is for solar radiation. And this is our automatic tipping bucket rain gauge. Okay. Here you can see in our data logger, these are the battery indicators. These are battery. They show battery backup like 25%, 50%, 75%, 100%. All the data and logging are going to install in memory card. This panel we use for solar panel. This is a solar panel. And this data logger also have a facility for GSM facility. Like you can see, I just messaged a *5# to this number and I got a reading: temperature, wind speed, wind direction, rainfall, maximum temperature. So these are the some special features we have in our weather station, which are fully manufactured by Advanced Technology, and we believe in Make in India. Thank you.